Hello penny pickers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your #1 place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 10 penny stocks that are trading under 10 cents right now, and they are turning heads as small cap surge extends. Now, none of these are going to be actually, picks for me, buy ratings like I usually do in my videos. These are just going to be some penny stocks that we're going to be looking at with some, potential, I guess you could say. But really, the volatility on these penny stocks is so high. None of this is financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. If you want to trade any type of stocks, especially these ones, speak to your financial advisor before you do it because these are very, very cheap and the volatility is very, very high. So OTC penny stocks are very risky. The OTC penny stocks tend to have much greater risk involved. They aren't required to report certain information, and many are actually just ghost ship stocks. Many haven't even filed a statement or put out a press release in years. In fact, some of the most active stocks fall under this umbrella. They're also at a greater risk of being halted or delisted due to not reporting current information. Obviously, they could get halted because of manipulation and things like that, because it doesn't move much. It doesn't take much, to move these penny stocks. So guys, these are going to be very, very high volatility penny stocks. 10 of them that are trading at under 10 cents or around the 10 cents area. Now, let's dive on in and check them on out, guys. So the #1 penny stock on the list is going to be Social Life Network, ticker symbol WDLF. And this one, I'm not going to make this mistake that I made yesterday, guys. This is going to be a very, very cheap one right here. This one is trading at 0.02635 cents, and it's up about 104.26%. So very, very cheap stock. Obviously, it's trading at around, 2 cents, 2.5 cents right now. It's not even, in the 10 cents area, or not even close to the 10 cents area. It's barely trading at around 2.5 pennies, I guess you could say. The volume on this one is going to be 1.14 billion that traded on Monday at the open. So we're going to be looking at, basically, there's no fundamentals or analysis I can give you guys on these penny stocks because they're so little and they're unknown companies, I guess you could say. So what we're going to be doing with these is just listing these penny stocks for you guys to do your own research and just to take a look at, to see what type of situation they're in. And also we're going to take a look at what the company actually does. So this one, Social Life Network, what they do is this engages in free to use social websites and marketing app designed to accelerate the growth of the Mary Jane industry. It allows the Mary Jane related business professionals to search and connect with other business professionals. The platform is a cloud-based social network and an e-commerce system that can be accessed by a web browser or mobile application that allows end users to socially connect with one another and their customers to market and advertise their products and services. So that's what this company does, currently trading at just around 2 cents per share. So very, very cheap penny stock, and that's what you guys are going to be seeing with all of these. They're very, very cheap, and you can see the price fluctuation is very, very high. As you can see just in the past few days how much this stock has actually rocketed on up, about a 400% gainer right there. Second penny stock trading under 10 cents on this list is going to be Global Technologies Ltd, ticker symbol GTLL. So this one right here is trading just around the same price as the previous one at just about 2.5 cents. So 2.5 cents per share. This one was up about 72.19% on Monday. The volume on this one was around 681.01 million. So a little bit less than 1 billion. But what you're going to be seeing with these is volume is super, super high. And the reason for this is because the stock is so cheap. People are able to buy more shares. So it doesn't take a billionaire to get this stock to start moving. Just a couple of investors with a lot of money can definitely make these stocks move, and that's where the volatility comes with these ones, because you don't know what's going to happen. Now, what this company does is going to be right here. So Global Technologies Ltd, through its subsidiaries, is engaged in the online sales of the CBD and hemp-related products, the acquisition of intellectual property in the safety and security space, and as a portal of entrepreneurs to provide immediate access to live shopping, e-commerce, and production placement in brick and mortar retail outlets. So that is what this company does. As you can see in the past few days, in the past month right here, this stock has been booming as well, about a 400-500% gain just in a matter of a few days. Sitting at the #3 spot is going to be American Premium Water Corporation, ticker symbol HIPH. So this one was up about 6.45% on Monday, so didn't move as much as the other ones. And this one is trading at such a low price, it's not even 1 cent. It's trading at less than 1 cent. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, because if you guys know about yesterday, leave a comment below just saying I know what happened, because the 500 of you that viewed the video definitely know what's going on here. But this right here seems to be trading just under 1 cent per share. Just a little bit under that. So the volume on this one was around 200.20 million shares traded. What the company does is, actually, I talked about this one. It's going to be it markets and promotes bottled water. So very weird company in my opinion. It is a health and beauty development biotech company engaged in unlocking the power of hydrogen and CBD as a means to health disorders and enhance the quality of life and longevity. The company's brand includes L Alpine 9.5 pH and L Alpine 7.3 pH spring water. So if you guys made it this far into the video, go ahead and smash that like button. Let's aim for 300 plus likes on this video. Also, we're almost at 18,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. Leave a comment below if you're looking at any of these penny stocks or if you've ever traded any cheap penny stocks like this. I personally have not traded any of these penny stocks, and I do not plan on trading any of these penny stocks. This is just for educational purposes, like I said, just to show you guys examples of how these little, cheap penny stocks can be very, very volatile, and it could be good, but it also could be very bad for you. The number 4th penny stock on the list is going to be Interscope Hearing Technologies Inc, ticker symbol INND. So this one was booming on Monday, 129.91%. So once again, you can see right here that these penny stocks are moving very, very quickly. So volume down here, 784.46 million. If we take a look right here, the stock is trading at around 6 cents per share. It was up, in the past few days, it's just been going up and up and up. So you can see down here, it was at 0.005, and now it's trading at, 0.06, so about 6 cents. So this one's boomed up about, decent, probably about 200-300% gainer right there, just in a matter of a few days. So another great, the movement is very, very quick on these. They go up and they can go down very, very quickly. So this one is a manufacturer and a DTC distributor, retailer of FDA registered hearing aids, personal sound amplifier products, hearing-related treatment therapies, doctor-formulated dietary hearing supplements, and proprietary CBD oil for treating tinnitus. So that's what this company does. So one pattern you're going to be noticing with a lot of these is they're either in the medical field or they're in the Mary Jane, field. I have to use that word for the YouTube algorithm, guys. So you guys know what it means. But most of these penny stocks are going to be in that sector. Now, the one thing to look at is if you take a look at the Mary Jane sector and look at some of the penny stocks from years ago, what price they were trading at a few pennies, some of those stocks right now are actually booming and trading at very high prices because of just growth, and if we become legalized, those stocks are going to be benefiting from it. But these penny stocks are very, very cheap, guys, so be very careful when trading any of these. Coming in at the number 5 spot is going to be Blue Sphere Corporation, ticker symbol BLSP. This one was up about 54.14% on Monday, or it's trading at around 2 cents, a little bit over 2 cents, almost at 3 cents per share. Volume was at around 1.13 billion shares on this one. And if we take a look, this company has been booming. It's went up about 200% in the past month or so. If we take a look down here, what the company does, this is an international clean tech independent power producer that develops, owns, and manages waste-to-energy facilities. It focuses on developing or acquiring projects with clean energy technologies, including waste-to-energy facilities that generate clean energy such as electricity, natural gas, heat, soil amendment, and other byproducts. Geographically operates the project in the region of the United States, Italy, and Israel as well. So this one is diversified, globally, I guess you could say. Coming in at the number 6 spot for stocks under 10 cents, penny stocks under 10 cents, is going to be the Mary Jane Company of America Inc, ticker symbol MCOA. So this one was up about 39.31% on Monday. Currently, it is worth about 2.5 pennies, so 2.5 cents, almost 3 cents. So this one is, the volume was around 374.73 million on Monday. And if we take a look here for the price action, this one was trading just around 1 cent per share a few days ago, and now it's made about 150% gain if we take a look from compared to that. So these, once again, they could boom very, very quickly, but that can definitely benefit you, but they could also hurt you in the long run because they could be very volatile. Once again, like I said, these prices could move up quickly, but just as quick as they moved up, they can definitely plunge back going down. You do not want to be caught bag holding because you're going to lose a lot of money on these ones. So this is going to be a Mary Jane marketing and distribution company. Through its subsidiaries, the company delivers all the benefits of industrial hemp-derived cannabinoid products to the world through its unique marketing and distribution platform. It also provides turnkey services to the legal, Mary Jane, and hemp industry, as well as strategically invest in synergetic companies to develop a diverse portfolio of subsidiaries and joint ventures that create value for our shareholders. So ticker symbol MCOA. Coming in at the number 7 spot is going to be American Green Inc, ticker symbol ERBB. So this one was up about 17.5% on Monday, currently trading at just under 2 cents per share, currently trading at a 0.0188 cents, so almost 2 cents per share. The volume on this one, 223.03 million, a little bit lower than the previous ones we've talked about. It was trading at 0.005 cents a few days ago. So it was trading at less than half a penny, and now, so it's went up about 150% as well on this one. Now, what this company does is going to be another medical Mary Jane industry company. So a lot of these are in that sector. Like I said, it involved in the business of developing a cultivation facility in Phoenix, Arizona for the medical Mary Jane, and also owns proprietary dispensing machines and all rights to a line of health supplements. The firm promotes and sells its product under the brand name One Bode, so ONEBODE. So this one, very cheap one, but the volume, as you can see, is slowing down on this one. Now, coming in at the number 8 spot is going to be Alternate Systems Inc., ticker symbol ALYI. So this one was up about 19.32% on Monday, and this one is actually trading at a little bit higher, a little bit over the 10 cents area. So this one's trading at around 11 cents per share. So it's a little bit over that 10 cents, but that is because the stock went up, as I did record this video on Sunday, but then something happened where I had to take down the video, guys. So I had to re-upload it and re-record everything. So it is now trading at a little bit over 10 cents, but I know you guys won't mind. The volume on this one is 218.56 million. As we can see here in the past month, this one was trading down here at about 3 cents per share, and now it's trading at 11 cents. So that's about a 300% gain right there in a matter of a few days for any of people that got in on that one. Now, with this one, this is engaged in a digital payments and data analytics, micro-segmentation, and marketing intelligence. The company's target market includes the mass consumer goods, payments and finance services, and telecommunications sector. So honestly, out of all the ones we've listed so far, this one actually seems the most interesting in my opinion, because that has to do something with finances and, the telecommunication area. So this one actually is my favorite one so far on this list, even though I would, never trade any of these, and I do not suggest any of you guys trade any of these, because these are just so cheap. You definitely do not want to trade these unless you know what you're doing in the market. Number 9 stock is going to be one that a lot of you guys have been commenting and asking me questions about. So it's going to be the medical Mary Jane. So this one is going to be ticker symbol MJNA. So this one's been turning some heads in the recent times. It was up about 12.47%. Currently trading at around 8 cents per share, just a little bit under the 10 cents area. Volume 139.43 million. This one was trading just a few days ago at around 3 cents per share. So it's made about almost a 200% gain, a little bit less than 200% in a matter of a few days. This one is engaged in the development, sale, and distribution of the hemp oil that contains naturally occurring cannabinoids, including cannabidiol and other products containing CBD-rich hemp oil. The company's products are used by pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, and cosmeceutical industries. Some of its products are CBD capsules, CBD tinctures, vaporizers, and hemp foods, amongst others. So this one definitely going to be one of the most popular ones actually out of the Mary Jane sector as well, because they have, even the food, like they said, they have the edible right there where they said foods, amongst others. So this one is very, very interesting, especially, as we progress further into 2021. We're going to have to see what happens with Joe Biden if he legalizes the whole Mary Jane industry for us, and what happens after that. And then last but not least is going to be Green Concepts Inc. So this one is ticker symbol INKW. It was up about 32.53%, and this one is trading just under that 10 cents area. It's trading at 9 cents, so 994.0994, right under the 10 cents area. This one was trading at around 0.01, so around 1 cent per area just a few days ago. So it's went up over 900% actually. So this one's been booming. If you take a look at this one, 900% gain. That's a huge gain on this one. So 135.66 million on the volume. This one is focused on the production of a variety of beverage products lines, including the CBD infused beverages, spring and artisan water, as well as the enhanced athletics drinks, in addition to other product offerings. It has some interest, but doesn't interest me that much. Like we said, the previous one is my favorite one out of these 10 picks, obviously. But once again, I do not suggest anybody trading these. I'm going to reiterate that many, many times throughout the video, because I do not want anybody trading this if they've never traded penny stocks, or if you don't know what you're doing. Unless you're a licensed professional, or you have a financial advisor that's going to guide you through it, or you're an expert trader, then you can take a look at these. But these are just, to show you some examples of very, very cheap penny stocks, how they can move very quickly with little volume, and how it's so volatile and dangerous, and how dangerous penny stocks can be. Penny stocks are not for everybody. You should not be trading them if you've never traded them, or if you don't know what you're doing. And if you do want to trade them, I would suggest using my link in the description to get 2 free stocks with Webull. Once you sign up with Webull, you can do paper trading on Webull, so it's going to be fake money, and you can practice trading penny stocks, blue chip stocks, any type of stocks that you wish to trade, and you can pretend, use some pretend money and get your feet wet that way. You'll be learning instead of using your real hard-earned money and losing it. You could learn off of these fake paper trading ideas. You can also use Thinkorswim. I know a lot of people that use Thinkorswim for paper trading, but you get 2 free stocks when you sign up with Webull, so why not use it, right? So like we said, guys, this is going to be very, very volatile. 10 penny stocks trading under 10 cents. So I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes. Once again, I know I'm saying this many times, but I just want to state that in the video so you guys are sure. A lot of you guys have been asking me for these penny stocks, asking me, show us some very cheap penny stocks. So I showed you the 10 cheap penny stocks. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want more lists like this, I want you to smash that like button. Let's get 300 plus likes. I want to know that you guys like these videos. Leave a comment below letting me know, have you ever traded any of these penny stocks and how did it go for you? Did you make money? Did you lose money? As always, if you guys enjoyed, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.